In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a transition duration in Canva. Once you're in Canva and you have a video that you're creating and you add a transition, if you want to little change the transition length, just simple go ahead and click on the clip. You will see that it's highlighted with a transition. Now you can click on the transition, and so you will see that it selects the transition on the left side. Now, if you look below, you'll find the duration. You can easily go ahead and change the duration of the transition. And as you can see, look at this section of my screen. While I adjust it, we can see that the blue section kind of stretches across the two clips. And so you can see that's how I easily go ahead and adjust and change the transition time in Canva. Transition can only be up to 5 seconds. It can't be more, even though you have the option to type whatever you want, 10 seconds, it will never actually change. So the maximum you can have it is 5 seconds. So just keep that in mind. So, well, that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. How to change the length of transitions in Canva. Very easy.